Mbak Fatin. The bridge. The truck cannot pass the bridge. Yes. Next one, it's a bit easy ya karena kita cuma menggunakan can aja, but it's okay. Ferawati, Mbak Ferawati silakan. Yes, the girl cannot put the book in her small. Yes, good. Okay, number 7, Mbak Lenda. Those boys. No, the boys. Di mana harus diletakkan can-nya? Those boys can dance on their heads. Okay, number 8. Coba Mbak Lina Sulastri. Yes. Yes, you can rent up to 5 discs in that shop. Okay, number 9, Mbak Nita. Oh, oke, saya lupa nih yang nggak ada modul ini. Coba dibuat ini nggak? Di message. No, karena ini dari modul. Coba di teks di message-nya siapa yang nggak punya modul, jadi saya tahu. Oke, Mbak Nur Hayati. Mbak Nur, oh ya, Nur Hayati. Yes, sir, you can pay the bill in that counter. Yes. Number 10, the last one, Mbak Pradita. The woman cannot catch the crowded bus. Okay. So far, do you guys have any question about can and cannot? No? Ada pertanyaan? Yes? Okay. Disambungin. Oh, kalau can itu, dia itu terjadi masa sekarang, present. Tapi kalau could, ya kalau yang could, itu untuk past tense. For example, yes, I'm gonna answer this one. Ada could untuk permission, untuk yang lebih polite, ada could untuk masa lampau. We will talk about this one later. For example, I'm gonna give you example of can. I can eat now. Okay, I can eat the food. I can eat ice cream, for example, and then I'm gonna change this one into past tense. For example, oh, she could eat ice cream. Okay, and then for example untuk permission atau yang more polite lagi, could you please pass me the ice cream? Jadi itu untuk yang polite. Jadi kalau misalnya untuk could yang kalau kalian lihat permission itu bukan berarti dia itu di masa lampau, tapi bisa untuk meminta, request. Kalau request kita, yes. Kalau request itu biasa juga kita menggunakan would. Would you please wait for a moment? Ya kan? Jadi itu lebih polite untuk permission. Alright? Nanti kayaknya ada di slide. Okay, next one. I'm gonna share you my slide again here. Okay. Next one. Did you guys see my PowerPoint? Okay. Coba satu orang yang bisa baca wacana ini. Oke. Oh, oke, siapa tadi Mbak Verawati pertama ya? Silakan. Oke, silahkan. Oke, silahkan. Oke, jadi yang dari wacana ini apa yang bisa kalian lihat? Kalau yang pertama tadi can. Nah, kalau di sini ada may, ada 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 can juga, ada could juga ya. Oke, so this one tadi yang juga tadi udah saya sebut sedikit, may, could, and can atau would, kita juga bisa menggunakan ini as permission. Jadi artinya itu adalah permission atau bisa to make it a bit politer. Oke, jadi lebih polite. Nah, contohnya nomor 1 ini. Wait, you can also like look see your book page 6.11 and then I'm gonna see who can read this one. Coba Mbak Sri Mulyani nomor 1. Kira-kira ini yang mana harus kita masukkan ke dalam sentence-nya? Apakah may, could, atau can? No, Mbak Sri Mulyani? Oke, next. Hah? Oke, kedengaran. Tapi sangat kecil. Oke. Coba. Yang mana, Mbak? Coba dibaca sekaligus soalnya. Gimana? It's a question, Mbak, bukan a statement. It's a question. Jadi apa yang perlu kita masukkan di kalimat tersebut? Jadi kalau misalnya kita mau pakai may, gimana sentence-nya itu? May. Yes, may I have a look at? Is it may I have a look at atau can I have a look at? Yes, you can do that, but then you can can you do that, or you need permission, right? You can come in, but then you may come in. It's different ya. Jadi may I have a look at your magazine? Okay, how about number 2? Coba saya lihat lagi, ada Mbak Vika di sana. Mbak Vika. Nomor 2. It's a sentence, not a question. You can smoke in this room. Ada objection? Semuanya setuju? Setuju? Ada pertanyaan? No? No? Oke, coba. you could smoke in this room, but then usually we will use can, ya. You can smoke in this room. It's different. Sangat jarang. Kalau misalnya itu you can smoke here. Kayak percakapan gitu lagi berlangsung. You can smoke in this room. Oke, coba Mbak Yahya, number 3. Mbak Yahya, no? No, Mbak Yahya? Okay, next one. Let me see. Mbak Mariam. Mbak Mariam, number 3. Okay. Oh ya, yang mana itu tadi Mbak baca? Oke, Mbak nomor, you cannot come through this door. Oke, yes, you cannot come through this door. Oke, nomor 4 deh Mbak Mariam. No, it's a question. May I? Yes. Yes, may I sit here? Yes. Alright, number 5, coba Mbak Fatin. You can sit there, but then are you allowed? Karena you want to sit with someone, right? So you cannot just sit there. You need to gain the permission from someone. Gitu. Jadi itu membedakannya. For example, kenapa nomor 3 ini kita nggak pakai may? Kenapa kita pakai can? Yes, tanda tanya mempengaruhi. Yes, for example, misalnya saya lagi ngajar di dalam kelas. Contohnya ini kita lagi tatap muka ngajarnya. Terus saya di kelas. But you can say, you will ask me, salah satu dari kalian telat, can I come in, miss? And then I say like, yeah, you can, but then maybe you may not come. Ngerti nggak? Jadi kalian bisa masuk, tapi you not gonna gain my permission. Jadi sama aja kalian nggak bisa masuk kan? But if you ask me, may I come in? And then I say like, sure, you may come in. Begitu. Jadi, yes, kita bisa menggunakan may ketika kita mau permisi untuk melakukan sesuatu pada orang, gitu. Like here nomor 4 ini kan kalian mau duduk sama seseorang. You will not ask, can I sit here? Of course you can, but then is she allowed you to sit with her? Maybe not. Yeah, that's why you should ask like, may I sit with you here? For example, may I sit with you? Atau may I sit here? So you will gain her permission atau someone's permission. Okay? Okay. Number 5, coba Mbak Ferawati. May I borrow your bike for buying? Yes. Yes. Okay. Next one, let's see formative task 2, page 6.17. Coba satu orang, let me see. Oh, sorry. Coba Mbak Lenda bisa ngomong? Bisa kan ya? Oke, coba Mbak Lenda dibaca halaman 6.17. The secretary The secretary. Yes, yes. Okay, $100 a year. Okay, so number one. Let me ask another person, but Lina Sulastri. Can you read the question number one? Okay. Jadi jawabannya yang mana? What does the secretary say to the writer about Mr. Harmsworth? Sir, apa itu? Yeah, sir, he might. Yang mana? Yang A? You might see him. The secretary told me that Mr. Harmsworth would see me. Jadi, what does the secretary say to the writer? That Mr. Harmsworth would see him, right? Jadi, sir, you might see him. Okay, number 2, coba Mbak Melinda tadi yang nggak ada ya. Okay, Nita. Oh, Mbak Nita juga nggak ada buku ya? Mbak Melinda nggak ada, Mbak Nita nggak ada. Mbak Nurhayati. Oh, Mbak Melinda ada. Oke. Silakan Mbak Melinda nomor 2. Don't forget guys to text in the text box if you have book or not, oke? Mbak Melinda nomor 2. 17. 6.17. What does the writer say to Mr. Harmsworth? Where did you find the answer? Jadi untuk jawaban nomor 2 ini di mana kita dapat jawabannya? Yes, but then what does the writer say to Mr. Harmsworth? Is there any may I come in? Will you talk to me? Could I tell you? Can you call me? Could I tell you?
Could I tell you, or may I come in? And then don't interrupt. Then he smiled and told me I would receive an extra 100 a year.
Like maybe she's knocking, and then oh, don't interrupt.
Kok kayaknya paragraf ini nggak ada nyambungnya ya. Oh, when I entered, yeah, he didn't look up from his desk when I entered. After I had sat down, he said that business was very bad. He told me that the firm couldn't afford to pay such large salaries. So, what does the writer say to Mrs. Harmsworth?
Could I tell you? It's also not really close answer, I guess. Could I tell you? Okay, how about the others, guys? How about you? Do you agree? Could I tell you, or could I say something maybe ya? Lebih kayak, could I say something? Atau may I say a word? For example.
Jadi, okay, let's say number 2 it's C.
Oke, nomor 3 coba Mbak Nita. Nggak ada, aduh, nomor balik deh saya. Mbak Nurhayati. Nomor You may, yeah, okay, you may sit down. Okay. You can sit down. Okay, itu lebih ke may. You may sit down. Yes. Dan kalau misalnya dalam bahasa yang lainnya juga kita bisa bilang please have a seat, itu kan lebih formal and polite ya. Jadi you may sit down itu juga lebih polite. Okay, number 4, let's do that until number 5. Mbak, duh jangan salah lagi nih, Mbak Pradita. Number 4. Okay. Number 4 Mbak Pradita dulu, silakan. What does the writer not expect from Mrs. Harmsworth's words? You sure? Yes, karena dia udah bilang I would receive an extra 100 a year. So you may stay working. Okay? Yes. Right. I knew that my turn had come. Yeah. And then the last one, number 5. Let's do that. Mbak Sri Mulyani. Kayaknya dari tadi saya manggil Sri Mulyani ya? Iya. Tapi ada buku kan? Ada. Oke, number 5. Silakan. 5. What does Mr. Harmsworth tell about the business? He couldn't afford to pay the salaries. Is it? He said the business was very bad. He told me that the firm couldn't afford to pay such a large salary. 20 people had already left. Jadi bisnisnya going down, salary-nya sekarang it seems like very high, and then some people already left. So what is it? Because the firm atau the office going for bankruptcy, right? Jadi dia itu hampir bangkrut. Jadi itu gejalanya. Bad situation, high salary. Kan dia dianggap high salary because they don't have money anymore. And then some people already left the company. Okay, so that's about may atau can atau could. So now let's move on to the third one, unit 3, advisability. From the sentence, from the word here, it will be about advice. Advice itu apa advice? Saran untuk atau suggest someone ya, untuk kita kasih saran atau kasih rekomendasi. Okay, so let's see your book page 6.22. It says auxiliary verb yang bermakna ability and permission. And then jika tidak mempunyai masalah dengan dua jenis kata kerja, bantu unit 1 dan 2, semoga kita tidak ada kesulitan dalam hal ini, yaitu should, ought to, and had better. And then dalam bahasa Inggris digunakan kata kerja bantu should, ought to, and had better. Tetapi untuk unit 3 akan lebih banyak menggunakan atau emphasize about should. So let's see your book page 6.22. Can anyone read the wacana? Ada yang bisa baca wacananya enggak? Dari Last Christmas until Traffic. Oke, silakan. Dari Last Christmas sampai Last Christmas sampai Traffic ya. Oke. The next one sampai akhir. Siapa yang bisa baca? Oke, silakan. Okay, good job. Next one, what did Jimmy Gates not ride on to go to the children's hospital through the busy street? What did Jimmy Gates not ride? Gimana itu? What Jimmy Gates not ride? Yes. Yes. Jadi Jimmy Gates atau he should not ride